this.
So the analogy that I use is this. If you picture, almost everybody can picture riding a bike, so it's a perfect analogy.
Okay.
So if you picture riding a bike and you're going down a hill on a bike, when you go down a hill on a bike, it's easy. You're flying down the hill, the pedals go, you hit one of those steep hills, the pedals get so fast that you can't even keep your feet on the pedals if you're not clipped in. Like you get that momentum. And then always at the bottom of the hill, there's always an uphill. So as you go up the hill, so that downhill is your strengths, that's that energy build. On the uphill, that's the weaknesses, that's that energy pull. So when you start to go up the hill, you get some momentum at the bottom. So you've got a little bit of effort. It doesn't take as much effort. As you start to climb, effort gets harder and harder and harder as you head up this hill. That's what weaknesses feel like. So I suggest energy blocking. So when you're sitting down and creating your schedule, I'm a big believer in creating your schedule at the beginning of the week. Instead of time blocking, energy block. Start your day with something that fills you up right from the beginning, because then you've got momentum heading into the day.
That's great.
Sandwich that with something that drains you, because you'll have a little bit of momentum coming off of the thing that fills you up. Once you're done that thing that drains you, though, you got to do a fill up again. Otherwise, you're going to run out of steam. You're going to run out of battery. And if you can time block something that fills me up with something that doesn't, with something that fills me up, you're going to be actually more productive in a day. It's when we do too many things that drain us back to back that's again, we start to let distractions win. We get pulled off focus. Suddenly we're looking at Facebook for an hour, and those things that pull us off focus that then prevent us from fitting in the things that are most important to us. So once we have the energy and we know what's important, it's all about how do we optimize that time to actually execute what we